It's very hard to walk in the rain. The roads are slippery, and the winds are really blowing very hard. We are just making my way to get the bus. So many people have drenched because of the sudden rainfall in London. I hope this weather continues for the rest of the day. It's really downpouring now. You could see everyone having an umbrella and also they're wearing a fluffy jacket because the winds are really cold now. This is coming in next couple of minutes. Let's wait for the bus to come.